How to build the custom menu in Wix Studio. So we have in here our menu. So you can just click on that menu right here. Click on this manage menu option. And then it will show up right here. So here's our site menu. So for example, we have coming soon and we also have general. Let me just expand this in order to show up this. Now, for example, you don't want to show the coming soon page. You can just click on the three dots. And then from in there, you can actually hide this particular part. Just click on the settings and click on this hide from menu. Now, once you have done that, this will actually enable the hide function. And when you close this right here, you can see that the coming soon page has been hidden or removed from this particular menu. So you can customize it to your liking. Like for example, if you want to customize the design, you can head over and click onto this design icon. And then from in there, just choose the menu design that you want to use for your menu. So that's how you build a custom menu in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.